When my grandbaby called and asked me to go to her pre-K graduation, I got up, I got ready, and I went. But first, an interview. Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and this is my Millie. And what is today, Millie?
I'm graduating.
You're graduating from her Montessori school. What grade are you going to next year?
Still going to kindergarten still.
Well, yes, you'll be going to kindergarten next year. How old are you?
5.
You're 5. Okay, what are you going to be when you grow up?
I'm going to be officer.
An officer? What are you going to do when you're an officer?
I'm going to take care of bad guys when they steal stuff.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
What if they're bigger than you?
I will kick them.
You'll kick them? Well, you got a lot of time to decide what you want to do, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you do. So what was your favorite thing about going to school?
My favorite thing was going to school is that I got to play.
Okay, it's time to go, so we're going to go graduate, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Bye-bye.
Bye. I love you.
Millie.